Nike continues its New York-inspired storytelling with the upcoming Nike Sabrina 3 Statue of Liberty colorway, set to release in spring 2026. After the success of Jalen Brunson's Kobe 6PE, this women's exclusive design shifts the spotlight to WNBA star Sabrina Ionescu and her connection to the New York Liberty. The shoe draws inspiration from Lady Liberty, featuring a full mint foam upper and midsole that closely mirrors the popular Brunson Kobe color blocking. Black swooshes provide contrast, while metallic gold Sabrina logos on the tongue reference the Statue of Liberty's original appearance before its iconic patina. The design also highlights ongoing comparisons between Sabrina's signature line and the Kobe series, making this release especially appealing to fans who missed out on recent Kobes. While Ionescu is technically an unrestricted free agent, Nike's continued rollout of New York-themed colorways suggests confidence in her future with the Liberty. The Nike Sabrina 3 Statue of Liberty is expected to retail for $135 in adult sizing.